mga kaiga!
Hello! Good morning!
Finally, we have arrived here after a long ride in Mount Hamiguitan World Heritage Park, and here are my group mates. I'm Philip.
I'm Leandro. I'm Blas.
I'm Angelica.
So let's start hiking. Let's go. So we're now here at the Black Mountain, which has an elevation of 1,193 meters above sea level, and it's so foggy. You can barely see anything down there. First, let's discuss about the energy source in this ecosystem. The primary source of energy is the sun. As you can see there, but vaguely because it is covered with clouds. And also the rain, because basically this is a rainforest. So this energy is utilized by most autotrophs and other organisms present here, because certain animals cannot utilize this because they just can't do it. Only plants can harness the power of the sun and convert it into food.
As you can see, it's a big ecosystem. So now we're gonna talk about the second important part of the ecosystem model, and that is the producers. As you can see, producers. These are the ones that harness energy from the sun, and they are the ones or the primary source of foods, like for example herbivores or most herbivores.
Hey guys, so I'm here at the Pygmy Forest, and as what they have said earlier, that there is the energy source and the producers, and I will discuss the consumers. Consumers are the ones who consumes energy from the producers, which came from the sun. Consumers also consumes plants and other co-consumers such as the carnivores who consumes the herbivores and omnivores.
So guys, it has already been discussed, the energy source, producers, and consumers. So basically in this ecosystem, the pygmy ecosystem, which is composed of ferns, shrubs, and small trees. In this ecosystem, the energy source coming from the sun and also rain are utilized by these producers as it was mentioned earlier. And then, this light energy will be converted into chemical energy by the plant, and as the organism such as caterpillars and any arthropods or macroarthropods that will eat or consume the plants will have a part of its energy, but it will not utilize all the energy because it was stated in the second law of thermodynamics, the law of entropy, that environmental processes cannot proceed unless there will be a degradation of energy. So the degradation of energy here is when an organism such as a caterpillar consumes such plants such as this, most of the energy coming from the plant is released and not used by the organism that has or have consumed the plant. And after this, the herbivore caterpillar is consumed again by a predator or the secondary consumer present here in this ecosystem, which can be an arthropod or birds. And as the food chain would continue, the energy utilized will decrease because every utilization of energy, there will also be a great increase of energy, and that would be the heat sink of the ecosystem, the energy out of the system. And for this, there are also interactions within this type of ecosystem, such as these. This is an example of inter-specific relationship. There is a resource competition between different species of plants, as we can see here in this video. And also, it is not only limited to the resources that will be used. It can also be in the interaction of animals, such as omnivores. Omnivores in this type of ecosystem, they could eat the plants, but also they can also feed on any other animals that they can feed on. But if there would be a decrease in the population of such organisms or animals that they would eat, they may eat the plants instead to compensate their need for food.